It's day 5 and I'm content.
Why wouldn't you mention anything in the
But
van?
I think I'm just mostly tired. Today we are going on a boat. We are splitting into
Charcoal black.
we're splitting into two groups.
They both are rich.
The young adults and then the
Those are always
lolas and titas.
What are you talking about, huh? What are you talking about?
Oh, you better not forget me. There's the newlywed.
Way over there?
So tired. I don't know how to
Going snorkeling.
Yeah,
And we're
snorkeling and paddleboarding. Stand-up paddleboarding. Sick.
Snorkeling.
I'm so ready to paddleboard. Ugly. But mine are shaped as hearts. See, look.
What is? What?
See, upside down hearts. That's my nostrils.
Mine is just a circle.
Whoa.
Mine are big.
Yeah.
Mine are big.
so many little fishes. US, bro. Any? Yeah, you can put it in. Welcome on board, amigos. Bienvenidos. Hola.
Definitely should put sunscreen on the bottom of
Hello guys, welcome to the boat number 4, Familia. We are on a 46-footer. It's a Lagoon French-made boat. It has a beautiful classical design, full furnished cabin inside, and this one, amigos, is gonna be your boat for the afternoon. Please feel free to go anywhere you want on board. And guys, I want to introduce you now with the most awesome crew that we have in the whole company. Yeah. Yeah. They couldn't make it today.
from the catamaran, we went snorkeling, and we saw squid and turtles and stingrays.
Eel. An eel. I saw the eel
I didn't
first.
see the eel.
I was
I'm
like,
so
eel
sad.
here. And then Diego's like, everybody, eel over there.
I didn't see the eel.
It was cool. I was like, wow, seaweed. And then it kept moving and moving and moving. It's like, oh, fuck, it's an eel.
What else? Oh yeah, Kuya Johnny lost his phone in the ocean. I'm not phone, his ring in the ocean. I thought you had the tae. No, Jenny. Okay, so Kuya Johnny lost his ring in the ocean, but we found it surprisingly. And then I puked on the catamaran. Did not know that I get motion sickness, but I do.
Then there was one.
And what else? And then we did some jumping off the boat and paddle boarding, and the guide was really cool. We're all just getting ready now because we made reservations for the Japanese restaurant. Miku, I think. I'm not sure. I'm scared though because I don't like fish, and I feel like it might only be fish. So I have to eat before because I haven't eaten yet today. And it's already like 6 p.m. Oh, life is life. Anyways, bye. Room service is here! Everyone is gone though, but I'm just gonna eat because they ate today and I haven't. I didn't even eat on the boat. They had food, but I didn't want to eat in case I threw it up. I was throwing up clear fluids, and if I ate, I knew it would get darker and be grosser, so I didn't want that. But yeah, I'm just gonna chill and eat all this food. I didn't even want the nachos. Renell wanted them. He's not even here. I actually wanted pizza, but they wanted fries and nachos. Whatever.
We're at Maiko now.
You guys are in a relationship. You guys are in locked and loaded. Don't do that anymore.
Maiko.
Gracias.
Wow.
Thank you. Presentation, guys.
Nice. Presentation is A+. Miso. Oh no, thank you.
So that's why on the menu just like
I was like,
Chicken
oh,
teriyaki.
cool, that's the chicken teriyaki. What's that?
Seafood teppanyaki.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. Boom. Cheers.
Well, that's good.
Gracias.
Yum, that was good.
Oh, that looks yummy.
Gracias.
Deep fried ice cream.
Here's something else.
Another shot of tequila?
I am at the buffet, and it's funny because when I left to go get food, I said I'm going to get fruits, and as you can see on my plate, there are no fruits on the plate.
He's hungry.
He wants a tip, he wants a tip. He wants a tip. We found a raccoon, we're just trying to chill.
Play Uno.
He thinks it's food, man.
Oh,
Wait, my bag.
Doing that one.
oh, hell no. Yo, pack up, boys and girls.
He's like, yo, food?
He's eating something.
She's really hungry.
Yeah. Okay, ready? Yeah. Yep. Set. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You like double clap.
And he just grabs his He knew already. He knew. It was at that moment.
It's like fucking. It's like fuck.
That
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Drake. You get excited, right? You jumped the gun. You jumped the gun.
It's because he lost chess.
Yeah, true.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1.
Oh, that's good.
2, 3, 4.